Welcome back everyone. Since Halloween is around the corner, I want to show you the trending effect on TikTok called Pumpkin Two-Face. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So TikTok has recently released a new trending effect where you can now apply a scary pumpkin face makeup and create a video using that. On your phone, open the TikTok app. Now tap on Discover and search for Pumpkin Two-Face. It should appear under Effects and look like this. Tap on it and watch how others have used this effect. If you don't see this filter in your search results, then it means it's still not available for your country. Check back later as TikTok is slowly rolling it out to everyone. The trending music is Jason the Toy Maker. When you're ready to use this effect, click on one of the videos where this effect is and the music is being used, and then tap on Use Effect. Now go ahead and create your video. As you can see, there is a line that appears at the center of the screen. You can move that line left or right. If you want to be in the Halloween mask for the whole video, then move it to the right. If you want it half-half, then leave it in the center. If you don't want the mask, then move it to the left. Once you're ready, tap on record and record your video. And there you go, that is how to use a trending effect on TikTok called Pumpkin Two-Face. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. I create social media videos like this on a regular basis, so do leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.